Kitts Nevis Patriots, Antigua and Bermuda Falcons have had remarkably similar campaigns in this season of Caribbean Premier League, with both teams losing 4 out of 5 matches and languishing at the bottom of the table. Despite flashes of individual brilliance from their players, both sides have struggled to secure victories and are now eager to turn their fortune around as they clash to revive their campaigns. The Warner Park at Bastira, St. Kitts has hosted 12 T20 internationals. The average first innings score in T20 international at this venue is 133 and in second innings it is 112. The highest score in T20 internationals at this venue is 182 and the lowest score is 145. The toss win to match win percentage is 41.67%. The Patriots, hit by injuries, would look to retain the same playing 11, while Barbados Royals are expected to field the same combination. St. Kitts, Nevis Patriots and Antigua and Bermuda Falcons have played one match against each other, with the Patriots winning the fixture. Evan Lewis has been in top form in CPL 2024. In 5 innings, he's racked up 171 runs at an impressive average of 42.75. With a strike rate of 161.32, he has been a force to reckon with. He has already smashed 1 century. N. Richnott has been a key bowler in CPL 2024. In 5 innings, he has taken 7 wickets with strike rate of 17.14. His economy rate stands at 8.95 and average at 25.57. Fakhar Zaman has made solid contributions for Falcons CPL 2024. Across 5 innings, he scored 159 runs with an average of 31.80 and a strike rate of 133.61. Shammer Springer has been delivering with the ball in CPL 2024 and is one of the leading wicket takers this season. In 5 innings, he has taken 7 wickets with a strike rate of 12.85. Vanandu Hasranga has been a great addition to Patriots squad, who could bolster the team's campaign with his all-round ability. In Patriots' last match against the Royals, he scored crucial 40 runs and took a wicket. Mohammad Mohsin would be an avoidant pick for Patriots because of his poor bowling form. Fabian Allen has been a key performer for the Falcons in CPL 2024. In 4 innings, he has taken 5 wickets at an impressive average of 19.20 and a strike rate of 15.60, a hot pick for any lineup. Mohammad Amir has struggled for the Falcons in CPL 2024. Across 5 innings, he has taken 2 wickets. The campaign for both teams this season has been identical. However, the Patriots have had an edge because of playing in home conditions. The Patriots would have 65% chance to win the match. Vanandu Hasranga would be a good choice for captain. Andre Fletcher will be a great option for the vice captain role. और आखिर में हमारी फैंटेसी 11 में आंद्रे फ्लेचर एंड जोएल एंड्रू को विकेट कीपर के रूप में शामिल किया गया है। 4 ऑलराउंडर्स हैं काइल मेयर्स, वानंदू हसरंगा, इमाद वसीम और शैमर स्प्रिंगर। फैंटेसी 11 में 2 बैटर्स हैं एवन लुइस और फखर जमान। 3 बॉलर्स होंगे फैबियन एलन, वीरास्वामी परमॉल और एंड्रिच नॉर्च।